Good morning, everyone, and welcome to country number 11, Luxembourg. For those of you that don't know, Luxembourg is a really small country nestled right in between Germany, Belgium, and France, and it's my goal to visit every country in the world. I was going to be in Paris for 3.5 weeks. I thought I'd take the weekends to kind of travel, and since it was pretty easy to get here, I thought, why not? I took a Flixbus over from Paris yesterday morning. The trip itself took about 6 hours. I didn't want to sleep, but I slept most of the time. Sometimes I'd like wake up and take a quick video because it looked pretty and then go back to sleep. Overall, it was nice. The driver was great, very comfortable seats, nice scenery. It was mostly like farmland. Once I arrived, I came straight to my Airbnb, and so far it's really nice. I have my own room, not the whole place myself, but the room itself is like really nice and spacious, and the common areas are really cute. My Airbnb host is so nice. Right after I got here, I had to work all night. So today is gonna be my first real day of sightseeing here in Luxembourg, the city. So let's get going. I have a free walking tour at 11, but I have an hour until that happens. So I thought I'd take the time before the tour to like sightsee around the city. So right here is the main square in Luxembourg's old town. It hosts the city hall, the tourist office, and lots of events. I walked into it and there's like all this construction going on. I feel like that's like a major thing for me in my solo travels. First of all, Big Ben in London, and then that cathedral church in Stockholm, now the Notre Dame in Paris, now this. I feel like it'd be super pretty and relaxing otherwise, but literally the whole square construction. This is Place des Armes, another popular square here in Luxembourg, and it's also where my walking tour meets. So far I'm liking the city. Everything's like super walkable and close together, very clean and quiet. Also, even though like the main square doesn't have anything going on because of the construction, now there's like this whole event going on in Place des Armes about some transportation expansion across the country, so that's cool. I kind of like that it's not packed with tourists because Paris is like still like a little crowded right now, and here it's just like no one. With all that being said, let's go do the walking tour. So it's a little bit later now. That walking tour is really nice. The guide was really informative and like funny. Her name was Maria. And after that, I had lunch because she shared like this PDF with us and like her recommendations for things to do and like places to eat and stuff. So that was one of them, and it was really good. And then I went to H&M because I wanted to get this scarf and sweater and gloves because I was feeling really cold, and I saw like the weather for the rest of the week and stuff, like where I'll be in Europe. It was kind of cold. I only have this in like the long sleeve I'm wearing. So yeah, now I'm all warm, and now I'm gonna visit the National Museum of History and Art, and that is free because I'm under 26, so let's get going. So I said that museum was actually all free because I was under 26, but actually all the permanent exhibits are free and you only have to pay for the temporary ones, but if you're under 26 you don't have to pay for them. So I got to see the whole museum for free. It was pretty cool. It was just like Luxembourgish art and like kind of European history. There was one cool exhibit up top, the temporary one about colonialism and Luxembourg's role in it. Otherwise, the art was like not anything crazy. There was like I like Impressionism. There's one Impressionist artist I saw, so that was cool. Not a big fan of like artifact type exhibits, like the history part. But there was good signage in English, and if there weren't signs, there were like books you could take for each exhibit. It was just okay. I wouldn't pay for it, so I'm glad it was free. Now I'm gonna go check out the Luxembourg City History Museum, and that one I believe is €3. I'm hoping that one's a little more interesting. I think if there's just like too much going on in a museum, I'm like not a fan of it, but if it's like specific, I like it. Anyway, let's go check out the next museum. So I'm like outside in this little terrace in the museum, and so far it's really cool. Very extensive history in this country. Also, I thought it was gonna be €3, but since I'm 21, it was free, so that was nice. I'm back at the Airbnb. Overall, for the museums, I like the second one. I visited way more. It was just more my cup of tea. It was better organized. There was more information, and it was just more interactive. I really like a good interactive museum. But yeah, I definitely recommend that one over the other one. As for the rest of the night, I'm chilling. I just filmed a video. I'm gonna go out for dinner soon and relax because I don't get to do it that much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 2 here in Luxembourg. Last night I didn't end up going out for dinner. I had Italian. It was super yummy. And today, before I leave this country, we are going to Vianden. It's in the north. It's best known for its hilltop castle and for just being a cute place to visit. I'm really excited to go, so let's get going. It was pretty easy to get to Vianden. You just have to take a train and bus, and basically all the public transportation within Luxembourg is free. So you just hop on and get here. Take the train to Heidelberg, and then the bus from there, and it's simple. 2 tips: check the train schedule, because I had to like wait an hour because I didn't realize. I don't know. I thought they left more frequently, but they don't. Second is that on the trains, the first class seats you have to pay for, and those are the red seats. Blue ones are free. I accidentally sat in the red one, and the guy was nice, and he was like, you don't have to move, you can stay, don't need to pay, but just in case. Anyway, now that I'm in Vianden, let's go check out the castle. So if you don't know a lot about Vianden Castle, that's okay, because I didn't either before planning this trip. But essentially, the castle, its original groundwork dates back to the 4th century, so it's super old. It was originally just a fortress, and I mean now it's a castle. I really liked visiting it. It was really nice and organized. The audio guide was great. I got a discount as a student. It was very busy though, lots of people visiting as well. But yeah, now that I'm done with that, I am gonna go have some lunch because I have not eaten yet today, and it is like almost 2. Hi everyone, so it's been a while since I last talk to you guys. Last time I checked in, I just finished visiting Vianden Castle and I said I was gonna go get lunch. Overall, I really liked my time in Luxembourg. It wasn't like blowing me away, but I still enjoyed my time there. Definitely recommend for like a little day trip, weekend visit type of thing like I did. The one thing that really stood out to me was definitely my Airbnb host. She was amazing and just like staying at her place was nice. She's only gonna be in Luxembourg for like the next year or so, but if she's ever hosting, definitely find out what city she's hosting in and go check it out because she was great, so friendly. Like I had dinner with her and her sister. She has the cutest dog ever, loves to travel as well. Like she's great. She drove me to the bus station and that just led to like one of my worst travel nights, like up there with when my flight to New Orleans got canceled, but this is probably worse because I wasn't inside. My bus was extremely delayed and I was supposed to transfer in Metz to get the bus from there to Paris, but I was going to arrive there too late to make that connection. So my only other option was to wait until 8:30 in the morning for the next bus to Paris. So that is exactly what I did. It was just too late to go back to the Airbnb or to another hotel. It was past 1 a.m. at that point. So I spent the night out in the cold. I was really emotional and sad. Looking back on it, I was being really dramatic, but I was really cold and just like uncomfortable and I didn't get like the sleep I wanted. But it turned around, like the cafe at the bus station opened at 5:30 and I just sat there waiting for the bus to arrive and then I basically slept the whole way back to Paris. So yeah, now I'm back in Paris. I'm here for the week working and then this next weekend I have another exciting fun weekend trip planned, so definitely stick around for the next video because I'm super excited for that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned about Luxembourg and that this inspired you to visit, even if it's just for a day or two. Until next time, bye guys.